I don't know much about Kofi, the late UN Secretary General, but I definitely know he was born on Friday. How did I know? Because of his name, Kofi. Kofi. Do you know that in Ghana, the day that one is born automatically gives him a name? You want to find out? Check this out. Are you a Ghanaian born outside the country? Or not a Ghanaian, but wants to learn Twi to the native speakers level? Then you are at the right channel. Join me in Let's Learn Twi with Opoku. Come along. Welcome back. In this episode, we're going to remind ourselves about what we have already learned before, and that is 3 days of the week. And in this lesson too, we're going to learn a new thing, and that is the name that is given to a person born on a particular day as far as the Ghanaian culture and the Akan culture is concerned. So we'll begin with the first day of the week, and that is Monday, Ɛdwoada. Ɛdwoada. A person born on Monday, if it's a boy, he's called Kwadwo. Kwadwo. And then if it's a girl, the baby will be called Adwoa. Adwoa. So Monday born boy is Kwadwo, and a girl is Adwoa. So we have Kwadwo ne Adwoa. The ne here means end. So I'm going to be using that. So I hope when I use it, it will not worry you because you already understand it. So we have Kwadwo ne Adwoa. Let's go to Tuesday, Ɛbenada. A boy born on Tuesday will be called Kwabena. Kwabena. And a girl will be called Abena. 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 So we have Kwabena ne Abena. What about the following day? Wukuda, Wednesday. Wukuda. A boy will be called Kwaku. Kwaku. And a girl will be called Akua. 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 Please note the pronunciation. If you look at it, you may pronounce it Akua, but that is not so. It is Akua. The U and then the A sounds like Uya, Uya, Uya. So we have Akua, Akua, not Akua. So we have Kwaku ne Akua. Then we go to the next day, that is Thursday, Yawoada. Yawoada. Yawoada, we have Yaw for a boy. Yaw. And Ya for a girl. Ya for a girl. So we have Yaw ne Ya. That's easy, isn't it? Yeah. So from Thursday, that is Yawoada, we go to Friday. Friday. I think now you remember the former UN Secretary General, Kofi. Yes, Friday we'll have Kofi and Afia. Kofi and Afia. Then we go to Saturday, Ɛbenada. Ɛbenada. Ɛbenada will have Kwame. Kwame and Ama for a girl. So Kwame, a boy, Ama, a girl. And then the last day of the week, that is Sunday, Kwasida. Kwasida. Kwasida, a boy will be called Akwasi. Akwasi. Sometimes the A is somehow eliminated and we have Kwasi. Kwasi. But Akwasi or Kwasi, the same. So we have Akwasi and Akosua for a girl. Akwasi and Akosua. Let's revise it once more. Ɛdwoada, Kwadwo ne Adwoa. Ɛbenada, Kwabena ne Abena. Wukuda, Kwaku ne Akua. Yawoada Yaw ne Ya. Efiada, Kofi ne Afia. Ɛbenada, Kwame ne Ama. Kwasida, Akwasi ne Akosua. Very easy, isn't it? Keep on learning Twi with Opoku. Thank you.